Your company's Financial Mappers Pro account will be managed by a person who is designated the role of Chief FM Administrator. The person with this role should follow these instructions to quickly and easily register and customize your Financial Mappers Pro account. There are two types of administrators. The Chief FM Administrator is the only role that can manage the company settings, default rates, and the report builder. The FM Administrator only has access to the user management capability. So both administrators can manage information on the users page. This capability is not available to the advisor/broker or paraplanner roles. The Chief Administrator is responsible for setting up your company's FM Pro account. It is very important that the designated Chief FM Administrator is the person who uses the link we send for the new Pro registration to create and customize the company's FM Pro account. There is some information the Chief FM Administrator should have ready before starting. This is the Chief FM Administrator's email address, the company's ABN, billing email and physical address, the company's logo file and the codes for the company's brand colours, the pre-organised disclosure statement and default rates. The Chief FM Administrator will then receive an email asking them to click on a link to activate the registration. The password must be verified before they proceed to log in. When the register button is clicked, a confirmation screen is displayed. They will then be invited to log in by entering their email and password. The link supplied to the Chief FM Administrator takes them to this registration page. Registration is, of course, a one-time only process. Completing this registration form creates your company's FM Pro account. This demonstration registration is for a fictitious company called Good Advice, and the Chief FM Administrator is Simon Simmons. Going to the menu, the Chief FM Administrator selects Company Settings from the drop-down options. The company logo is then uploaded and will be displayed on the top of each screen of their staff and clients' Financial Mapper Pro accounts. The colour of the header and footer banners can be customised separately. In both cases, there can be a two-toned panel or a single block of colour. On the same page, the company's disclosure statement is uploaded after gaining approval that it meets the required standards and protocols of financial mappers. The default rates to be used by all registered account holders are entered. When the Chief FM Administrator is ready, reports unique to the company can be created using the report builder. These reports can be allocated for use by advisors only or advisors and ProConnect clients. These reports are accessed from the Reports chevron in the Plan Management area by all account users. Next, the advisors and paraplanners are invited by the Chief FM Administrator or an FM Administrator to register their accounts. In this case, the advisor, Adam Pitt, has been invited to register. Adam Pitt receives an email requesting him to register. This is the same process as it was for the Chief FM Administrator. The Chief FM Administrator then invites the paraplanner, Wendy Carr. Advisors can share a client's Financial Mappers plan with one paraplanner and later stop sharing after the paraplanner has completed their task. Note that the two advisors have logged in and are now shown in the list of users. The FM Administrator has access to company settings and the list of advisors and paraplanners with linked FM accounts. They do not have access to the actual Financial Mapper accounts of any team members or clients. More than one FM Administrator can be added later if required for backup purposes. However, it is recommended that the designation of this role be kept to a minimum number of people to ensure a streamlined administration. The Chief Administrator is now going to assign the role of FM Administrator to Ben Cantrell. This will give Ben all the functionality of an advisor/broker, but also the user management functions. All the team are now registered users, and the advisors can now commence adding their clients and inviting clients to be ProConnect clients where appropriate. The FM Administrators can review each advisor's client list in the user management area. Once a client has been added by an advisor, only FM Administrators can modify the client details such as name and ID. There is a set of detailed training videos, which we can make available for both your staff and your clients upon your request. These training videos are also available in the software. Each FM Administrator, advisor, paraplanner and ProConnect client is provided with their specific user guide to give detailed information about how to use Financial Mappers.